Top 5 ways to best clean epoxy flooring. Epoxy flooring is known for its durability, shine, and low maintenance. But to keep it looking brand new, proper cleaning is essential. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 ways to best clean epoxy flooring and maintain its glossy finish. First, start with regular sweeping or dust mopping. Dirt and debris can act like sandpaper, scratching the surface over time. Use a soft broom or microfiber dust mop daily to prevent buildup. Second, use a gentle cleaning solution. Mix warm water with a mild dish soap or a pH-neutral cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia, as they can dull the epoxy coating. Third, mop with warm water regularly. For light cleaning, plain warm water works perfectly. Make sure to use a soft mop and avoid excess water, as pooling can leave streaks. Fourth, tackle stains immediately. Oil, grease, or chemical spills should be cleaned quickly using a soft cloth and mild cleaner. This prevents staining and keeps the floor looking spotless. Finally, avoid abrasive tools. Never use steel wool or hard brushes, as they can damage the epoxy surface. Stick to soft pads or cloths for safe cleaning. By following these simple tips, your epoxy flooring will stay clean, shiny, and long-lasting for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.